new share with you. Today we are going to do the revision topic again. Based on lesson 45, we are at worksheet 36. Okay, what is this? Toby? Toby paid 153 for 3 caps and a pair of jeans. The price of the cap was 3/8 price of the pair of jeans. So the 3 here belong to the price of the cap. The jeans here refers to 8. Okay, so can I say for 1 cap, it is a 3 unit dollar. Okay, for 1 jeans, it will be an 8 unit dollar. So what did he buy is he bought the 3 caps. Of course, 3 caps will give you 9 unit dollar, right? So what is 9 unit plus 8 unit? It give you 17 unit dollar. And what he paid for was $153. You divide by 17 unit dollars to get down to how many sets are there? So you have 153 divided by 17. You get 9. So how much did Toby pay for the pair of jeans? So you times 8, and that will give you 72. Wow, thank you. I didn't even need to say, you know what to do. Okay. Jaden don't have, or Jaden Thursday don't have. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Wait, I'm reading the Tommy, yes. Okay. Yes, it sounds like your name. Okay, question number 2. In the diagram, PQRS is a square. So PQRS is a square. Okay, then what I have here, I have this as 249. Okay, so he wanted to find PQJ. Where's PQJ? So this is the one he's asking for, right? So if this is asking for, we will need something called what? This angle, because this is 90 degree. Correct. I have something here for perhaps I do it in another color to show you that there is this portion here. From here to here, it is actually 270 degree. Okay, so in order to find 270, the little thing here, I use 279 to minus this one. Okay, to get this only. So this one will give you 21 degree. Now, having done this for 21 degree, this is also 21 degree, right? Because if you were to move the rectangle over, it will cover the angle of 21. So they are so-called same, okay? So in order to have the, they're asking you for the red color one, right? So for this red color one, you know that that is a 90 degree one. Yeah, okay? This one is a 90. So 90 can minus a 21. You will give a 6, 7, 7, 69. Yeah. Okay? Correct. Yes, very good question. Where is my 270 from? Okay, I draw another this for you, okay? Those who didn't get to see this, I want you to pay attention to, sorry, I need this. See if I can copy and paste here. Okay, now where is my, I rub away, where's my 270 here is cos, can I say this is 90 degree? Then from here to here is 360 minus 90 degree equals to 270. That's where you get 270 there. Okay? Next, question number 3. Okay, number 3, a bit of explanation. Which one is a parallelogram? C, X, Y, Z is a parallelogram. AZC is a straight line. BZY is a straight line. AB is equals to BC. So you must have an equal sign on this one. Angle ABZ is 28. Angle XYZ is 52. Find YZC. YZC. And the other one is ZBC. Okay. So you know that this is a parallelogram. Meaning to say, they have this so-called parallel line. So this one will be 180 minus the 52 degree equals to 128 lah. Right now. So when this is 128, this is also 128 because vertically opposite angle. Let me try. See 128. Yeah. Okay. Then on the other side here, what you have is the third angle in this triangle, right? Because I'm focusing on this triangle. Do you see my third angle here, which is 180 minus 128 degree minus 28 degree? Okay, so 180 minus 128 minus 28 and give me 24. Okay, now then you will ask later. You have a 24 degree at the side, right? Here. Okay, so you have 24. This is 24. Because this is an isosceles triangle, and angle A here, angle C here, both are base angle, which must be equal. Right now. Okay. So now the last thing I want to do is to find this third angle of the isosceles triangle. Okay, I just want to add on this for you to take a look. I'm talking about this triangle. And I'm talking about this one. Meaning to say I need to find 180 minus 24 minus 24. And give me 132. Okay? So this 132 is for the two angle of 28 plus something, you see? This plus this equals to 132. So now you use 132 to minus away your 20. Okay, minus 28 equals to 104. And this one is 104 lah. Like that. YZC is 128 for this reason. Okay. Okay. Any questions so far? Now, I encourage all of you to ask questions to clear doubts, okay? Don't be shy to ask, Because if you don't, then if you offline already, then who can you ask? That's the thing. Question number 4. Thank you, Miko, for your response. Joycelyn had a ribbon 17 centimeter long and she formed a triangle. The triangle has 3 sides. This, and this. And this is the makeup of 3 triangles, 3 parts of the triangle. So find the remaining ribbon in terms of A. So he still have left something remain. How much is it? I don't know. So what you need to do is to go and put an expression for it. Okay, so you have A plus 5A plus 30 equals to 6A plus 30. Correct. So now my question to you is, I must use this one to minus this one and minus this one. So end up I will left with 11A. Minus 30. Okay. Yes, thank you, Jared. Thank you, Jaden. Yes, Serena. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, let me check on your lah. Krishna, is everything okay? Catching up with me or not? Okay, Astra leh, Astra? Astra? Not too sure. Tommy, okay or not? Tommy, don't go to other website, must come to my stay put with me, okay? Then I have Priya. How's things? Okay, More? More, okay? All right. Sabrina, everything okay, Checking in with many of you. Who did I miss out? Joseph? Hey, Joseph, you always don't see your face, Joseph, are you in front of the camera? Okay. Gillen? Charlotte? Theodora? Okay, you need to on your camera, otherwise I don't know whether you're with me. Okay. Now, Joseph used the remaining ribbon to form the rectangle of length 3A. And if A is 8, what is the breadth of the rectangle? Now, where is the remaining ribbon? Here, 11A minus 30. This is used to form a rectangle of length 3A. So you have 3A in the rectangle. This is also 3A. You don't know what is the breadth, right? And this is what you're asking for. And where's the remaining of the ribbon is 11A minus 30 minus away 3A and 3A. Okay, so 11 minus 6, you get 5A minus 30. But you need to divide by 2. Okay, because of the 2 breadth. So sub A equals to 8. So you have 5 times 8, 40 minus this 30, then divide by 2 is 5 cm. All right. So far, okay, Okay, question number 5. The company offered 120 laptop at 20% discount. So during the 7 days, all are 20 discount. And it showed the number of laptop left unsold at the end of the day. On which day was the most number of this sold? The most number means drop the furthest. Correct? So this is day 1. Then this is day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7. So the first drop is this one. All right. So when it dropped the most, it will be very steep down. Then this is day 2. Okay. So what percentage of the 120 laptops sold in the first 5 days of sale? So the first 5 days of sale, you have 90 to how much? Can you see what is that?